Good morning and sliding in afternoon. Judy Allen here. I am still out of town and my mother-in-law is still in the ICU. So just keep her on the prayer list and keep the family on the prayer list. I'd appreciate that. So today we are keeping it simple, but we're going to do it with a twist, all right? Because a lot is going on and simple is real right now, okay? So with that, let's go down the hands and I'll show you what we'll be doing today, okay? And let's see here. I'm still operating from my phone, so that's always fun and different, right? So, this is what we're going to do today. Now, I thought I had brought my kit with me, but I did not. I can't find it. Let's put it that way. Because I brought so much stuff with me that I can't find it. So, I'm just going to move this over just a little bit. And I'm having to actually use my dies and embossing folders to actually hold my stand in place. So if you're out there, please be sure to say hello. I'd appreciate it. And I'll respond back. So what today is it's like last week. I showed you I had a kit and we made some cards because that keeps it simple and real for us, right? When we're not at home. And it allows us to get things done at the same time, right? So what I have here is, this is the Festive Tags kit. We're actually using this in the afternoon tea. On October the 10th, but you can't get them right now. So I had actually bought mine in advance. So what you're going to see here, let's see what that was. What you're going to see here is I've already got these made. I thought I had the kit with me and I was going to make them with you. These are no stamping tags. But the twist I want to show you that we can do this is we can actually make some simple cards with this, right? So that's what we're going to do. So I've gone ahead and showed you right here how the red is just fine, right? This is real red as the color, and all of these tags would easily go with this because there's like 15 tags in the kit. And so like for the tea, then we're going to actually take some, we're going to make some tags and we're going to convert them into cards. So that's what we're going to do right now, is we're going to convert them into cards. And I just want to show you, we have different color choices, and the real red looks really nice with everything. But I wanted to use some other colors too. So I pulled out this blue, and I thought we could do it with this right here. We'll see how you like that. And this one here, I was going to go ahead and do this one. But you can see these would easily go. Look how this will go on the green, really nice. And let's see what else would go nice on the green. I went and cut the strings off, so I think I was going to use it. You can see how that would look really nice on the green too. It's actually got a bluish color. That's sort of what this shade of spruce would go with as well. I wasn't thinking this too much. This looks more like a coastal cabana. As you can see, this color right here. Sorry, I've been creating projects. See, it's got a little bit more greenish color in it, so it's not the blue here. But this, it's actually more of a coastal cabana. But it could go on the green as well too. And then I just want to show you, and then you can always layer these as well. So if I wanted to, I could layer on red, then put on the green. But it really picks up the green on here nicely, and the gold is a nice one as well too. So I'm going to go ahead, and I wanted to go ahead and do this one on the shaded spruce. So all we're going to do, this is already assembled. As you can see, the tag was here. All we had to do is add Merry Christmas to this tag. This is already die cut in the kit. This is embellishment in the kit right there. And I just put, and it has you putting it up on dimensionals. So there wasn't a lot that you have to do in the kit, right? It's a great way to make quick and easy tags. But we're going to make quick and easy cards. So all I'm going to do with this is I'm going to actually put this down with some adhesive. I'm not really too concerned about getting it just all the way around, right? I just want to get it down. If I want to stick ribbon through here, I could easily could. I did want that to slant a little bit more, so I'm going to gently pull that back up. So yes, I have been creating, right? There's a lot of things going on. We have the afternoon tea coming up, like I said, on the 10th. And then we have the retreat, pre-retreat, right? That actually shouldn't say pre-retreat. The early bird starts this Friday. So lots of things going on. All right, I need to tilt it just a little more. So what I'm trying to do is I want to keep this loose so it can go back and forth if I wanted to on its own without me. And then I'm just going to put this here. So I want the back one down, but I don't have, this one can actually move, right? So now I just want to put a ribbon. So let's see which ribbon we like. I sort of like this one. So if you're out there, you can always let me know which one you like. Here's another one that's nice, but I don't think it picks up too well on the dark there. Let's see how this one looks. Ooh, that's nice and sparkly. The two blues aren't going to go. So it's either going to be the green, the red here, or it's going to be the white. Let's try the white in a bow and see how it's going to look. Right, so it's one thing. So actually, I saw somebody do this the other day, and they actually just kept the ribbon on the roll, and that way they kept on tugging it and did it whatever they needed to do. That way, as I said, they didn't waste by having long tails and having to trim it off, right? Hello, Bertner. How's your day going today? All right, so I'm going to like this one really nice right there. So this one here, I'm just going to take it. I'm going to trim it. I don't know what your weather is like up there, but they still have 90-degree weather here where I'm at. And then we're just going to put this right here. So we're going to have to do something this, right? So that's a little loose. So, but all I'm going to do is snip off a piece here. I think I snipped it off long enough. And we're just going to take it right here. And I'm just going to come over like this here. And I don't think I have my glue dots with me, so I'll just use some liquid glue. Normally I have my liquid dot. All right, so I'm just doing it right here, right? Because it's just a matter so that if this thing wants to slide back and forth, it can. Whoever receives this card, if they decide that they want to sit there and use it, they can, right? I have to hold that down for just a moment. So that's what's all about. Oh, end of the that's true. That's forget what you guys have a fiscal year right now. Well, you know it's Stampin' Up's end of the Stampin' Up's year too. Stampin' Up's year begins the 1st of October. So there we go. So we have it. Now you will, when you make it like this, you're going to have to put white or cream colored cardstock on the inside, at least a 4x4, right? So you can stamp a sentiment if you want to, or if you want to write one, right? So let me just leave this right here and let this dry for just a moment. Put my adhesive. I'm going to put this right here a second. I don't normally put things on cardstock, but it lets you see things, right? So this would be even nice if you wanted to layer blue on top of red. I'm not going to do that, but again, this is another tag. Now this tag actually had another piece. I didn't use it because I really liked it the way it was, but here's this piece right here. So it actually had a dark blue to come behind it. So we're not going to do that. I have this right here, and I already decided I could just as easily use the ribbon I just used. Looks very nice, but I'm not because I just used it. I have this ribbon that's nice and sparkly. And then, hello, Linda, Tramel. I miss seeing everybody. And then I have this one that's got sparkly in it all. So I was going to use this one. So the thing is, I'm going to do this one. I'm going to actually tuck it behind here. And I'm just going to use a little bit of glue. And, you know, tags are just an easy way to use the tags to coordinate, make a card to go with it, everything, right? And we can just as easily take DSP and make our own. So all I'm going to do with this here is I'm going to let that glue there a second. And then we're just going to adhere this down so it looks like it's just dangling. I can get that right there going. Okay. So I will have to use some glue on this, okay? My sweet little Sophia asked me what I was going to be doing today. I told her I was going to be making cards. She's, that's all? So, I love kids, right? You have to love them. You just have to love them. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim this off because I know I'm going to trim this off. Well, I got glue stuck to me. So, as I'm holding this, it's easier if you just put something down like I did with the other one and let it hold it down instead of me. So, I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to trim it off. And then the other thing I'm going to do with it, I'm just going to take and make like a little knot, if you want to call it that. See, I could easily come back over like that if I wanted to. But I'm just going to come to the end. And we're just going to put some glue on the back of this. See if we can get that. So, yeah. I know, lady. We're going to be able to cross each other's paths one of these days soon, I hope. Ooh, ow, just squeeze a lot of that. We will. We will. I mean, I'm thinking we still owe your mother. I still owe your mother a birthday lunch. A birthday lunch. I mean, it's like, wow, that's how long we've been able to try to stay put for long enough, right? Now, I just did that, and I shouldn't have done that. Why is that? Because I was supposed to come through here and tie a knot. That's what I was going to do. So, let's see what I'm going to do now. Even I don't know what I'm going to do now. We'll just come up here and put it like that. Okay? So, if you accidentally mess up, that's okay. It's just an opportunity for creativity, right? So, originally, I was going to tie this around the piece of ribbon I just did. And I put glue on the whole thing. Right? So, we get busy, we get preoccupied. I haven't burnt dinner yet. It's been close. Okay, and we're just going to put it right there. So that's what I want to do, except I was originally going to tie it around that piece, but that's okay. Most likely it's going to work better here. Yeah. All right, and so I got this stuff. So yes, I'll have to show you a picture of all the stuff I'm creating. So I'm at a relative's house. And yes, I'll have it all cleaned up before they get home. I think Sophia hasn't said a word because I think she's used to it. I think that she's used to when her mommy creates. It's most likely the same way. All right. So there we go. We just have a nice, simple card that we've made with the ornaments. So we made this one here. We can trim and adjust this any way we want. Once that sticks and glues, we won't be able to change or anything else. But it's just to keep it simple, right? Sometimes we just need simple. So here's the two cards that I created. One was just making a bow where I tied it to the side. Trim off your thing so it doesn't like unravel on you. I can't say that because I just was busy unraveling ribbon. Okay, so so that didn't stick down like I expected it to. So you might have to put something heavier on it. I'm not the person that likes to really like sit there and hold something. I usually like to put something on it heavier, but the main thing is I wanted this to be able to move. And we can put our sentiments on the inside, but we've made two simple cards just by using the tags from the kit itself. Okay, so any of these can be made into a Christmas card, and you put whatever sentiment you want to on the inside. These already had these on here where you put Noel and Merry Christmas, and that was all in the kit. So I hope you enjoy that. Again, today it's just about what can we do that is simple, right? Because not everything's simple. And that's what we want to do. So with that, let me just go ahead and I'll give you a sneak peek of all the mess I created. So this is all the things I'm working on. And I'm trying to keep myself contained to one table. And this is what we're unraveling right now, getting ready to make a card. So we got a lot of things going on. We got the retreat right around the corner with early bird. So we're making some different things, prototypes. So it's just all about creating, right? That's all that's going on this table. It's just creating. So it's a good thing my family loves me, right? So I hope you enjoyed that because, right, there's many times we need simple. It's good to create and sit there and do complicated things, detailed things, layers of things, but there's times we just need simple, and that's what I need right now. So with that, be blessed. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to follow us not only on here, but also on YouTube where we'll post the videos, and on Instagram where we post pictures of the cards. All right, with that, be blessed, and I look forward to next week. I will be home. Whoop, whoop. And I'm supposed to be home anyway, and we'll go from there. All right, be blessed. Look forward to seeing you next week on Keep It Simple or Step It Up. Bye.